Listen up, because what I'm about to share will completely change how you think about making money online. While everyone's fighting over saturated dropshipping and affiliate marketing, there's a goldmine hiding in plain sight. AI automation agencies are printing money right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how to build one from scratch in just 30 days. No BS, no fluff, just the exact blueprint I used to go from $0 to $10,000 per month. The AI automation gold rush. Here's the reality. Every single business on the planet is drowning in repetitive tasks. They're spending thousands on employees doing work that AI can handle in seconds. But here's the kicker, most business owners have no idea how to implement these solutions. That's where you come in. You become the bridge between cutting-edge AI technology and desperate businesses willing to pay premium prices for your expertise. The numbers don't lie. The AI automation market just hit $15 billion and experts predict it'll triple by 2027. Right now, 91% of businesses are actively looking for automation solutions. But get this, only 23% have actually implemented them. That gap? That's your opportunity. The average AI automation project costs clients anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000. And most agencies are booked solid for months. Your 30-day roadmap to $10,000 per month. Here's the exact 30-day blueprint broken down week by week. This isn't theory. This is the exact process that took me from complete beginner to running a profitable agency. Each week builds on the last, and by day 30, you'll have a functioning business generating real revenue. Let me break down the 5 core services that businesses are literally begging for right now. These are the moneymakers, the services that command premium prices because they solve expensive problems. I'm talking about real ROI that business owners can see immediately. Master just 2 or 3 of these and you've got yourself a 6-figure business. The 5 services that print money. AI-powered customer service chatbots that handle 80% of support tickets automatically. Email marketing automation that nurtures leads while you sleep and converts at 40% higher rates. Data processing and analysis workflows that save companies hundreds of hours monthly. Lead generation systems that qualify prospects and book appointments automatically. Social media content creation and scheduling powered by AI that generates months of content in hours. Landing your first 3 clients. Here's the biggest mistake beginners make. They spend months building the perfect website and branding before talking to a single client. Wrong approach. You need to validate your offer first. Week 1 is all about speed and momentum. Pick your niche, craft your offer, and reach out to 50 potential clients. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this with 0 experience. Your Week 1 action plan. Choose your niche, local service businesses, e-commerce stores, or B2B companies. Each has unique automation needs. Create your pilot offer. Offer to automate one specific process for $500 as a test case. Build your outreach list. Find 50 businesses in your niche using LinkedIn, Google Maps, and industry directories. Craft your outreach message. Focus on the specific problem you solve and the ROI they'll see. Follow up relentlessly. Most deals happen after the 3rd or 4th touchpoint. Track everything in a simple spreadsheet. Quote, "The biggest mistake new agency owners make is trying to be everything to everyone. Pick one niche, solve one specific problem exceptionally well, and the money will follow." Brian, your instructor. Building your automation systems. Once you've landed those first clients, it's time to deliver results. This is where most people freak out, but don't worry. The beauty of AI automation is that the tools do most of the heavy lifting. You're essentially the conductor orchestrating different AI tools to work together. Let me show you the exact tech stack I use for every single client project. Your essential tools stack doesn't need to be expensive. In fact, you can start with mostly free tools and only upgrade as you scale. Here's what I use for every project. And the best part? Most of these have generous free tiers that'll get you through your first several clients before you need to pay a dime. Essential tools stack. Make.com or Zapier for workflow automation. Connect different apps without coding. ChatGPT API for natural language processing and content generation. Google Sheets or Airtable as your database and CRM. Twilio or similar for SMS and communication automation. Stripe for payment processing and invoicing. Loom for recording delivery videos and client training. Let me show you a simple example of how you might set up an automated lead qualification system using the ChatGPT API. This is the type of automation that clients will pay $2,000 to $3,000 for, and it takes maybe an hour to set up once you know what you're doing. JavaScript function demonstrating an AI-powered lead qualification system. The qualify lead function takes lead data, name, company, budget, timeline, as input and uses OpenAI's GPT-4 model to analyze and score the lead from 110. The function constructs a detailed prompt asking the AI to evaluate the lead quality, then processes the AI's response. Based on the score in the analysis, 8 or 9 out of 10, the system automatically triggers 2 actions, sends an email alert to the sales team about this hot lead, and updates the CRM system to mark this lead as high priority. The function uses async/await for handling API calls and integrates with external services through imported send email and update CRM functions. This automation saves companies hours of manual lead review and ensures hot leads get immediate attention. Scaling to 5 figures monthly. The final week is all about scaling what works and optimizing your operations. By now, you've delivered results for your pilot clients, you have testimonials, and you understand the delivery process. It's time to increase your prices, streamline your workflow, and potentially bring on a contractor or 2. Here's your exact roadmap to hit that $10,000 monthly mark. Here's the math that makes this all work. You don't need hundreds of clients to hit $10,000 per month. You need just 3 to 5 clients paying you $2,000 to $3,000 each. That's it. And once you've proven your process with pilot clients, closing these deals becomes significantly easier because you have real results to show. Let's talk about the real numbers behind a successful AI automation agency. These aren't inflated guru numbers. This is the actual reality of running a lean, profitable agency. Your overhead is incredibly low because you're using mostly software tools. Your profit margins are insane compared to traditional agencies. And the best part? It's almost entirely location independent. The difference between struggling agency owners and successful ones often comes down to mindset and execution. Successful operators focus on client results first, money second. They deliver insane value, charge premium prices, and don't apologize for it. They also systemize everything and aren't afraid to invest in tools and contractors to scale. Quote, "Your clients don't care about how many hours you work. They care about results. Automate one process that saves them $50,000 a year, and they'll happily pay you $5,000. That's a 10 times ROI and a no-brainer decision." Brian, your instructor. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat this. Building an AI automation agency takes work. But compared to other business models, the startup costs are minimal, the profit margins are incredible, and the demand has never been higher. You have a 30-day blueprint. You have the tools. Now you just need to execute. Start today, not tomorrow. Your future self will thank you. Now get out there and build something amazing.